Good morning, children. In the last class, we have studied about weight, capacity, and length. Okay. Today, we'll study about measurements, story problems. Okay. These story problems are based on the length, capacity, and weight. Okay. Let's see few examples which they have given here. Okay. See, first one. Amit has a barrel containing 17 liter 115 ml of oil and another barrel containing 38 liter and 655 ml of oil. Okay, how much oil does he have in all? So children, see here what is the problem. First understand the problem. See here, Amit has barrel and in that barrel he has 17 liter and 115 ml of oil. Okay, and he has one more barrel containing 38 liter and 655 milliliter of oil. Okay, now children, what we have to do? We have to find out the total oil he has in both the barrel. Okay, for that what we have to do? We have to add the liter with liter and milliliter with milliliter. Okay, see here they have done solution. Put a column, write liter one side and milliliter one side, and in the liter column you should write liters only, and in the milliliter column you have to write the milliliters only. Put the column like this, rows and columns, and write 17 liter and 115 ml of oil. 17 liter below the liter and ml below the 115 below the ml. Okay, then second one is 38 liter 655 ml milliliter of oil. 38 liter should be below the liter column only, and 655 ml should be below the milliliter column only. Okay, now add the numbers. Okay, 5 plus 5 10, 1 carry, 0 here, 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 1 7, then 1 plus 6 is 7, 770 ml, and 7 plus 8 is 15. Okay, 5 here and 1 carry over, then 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 3 5. Okay, then Amit has total 55 liter and 770 milliliter of oil together in both the barrel. Okay, so write the answer like this. Amit has 55 liter and 770 milliliter of oil in all. In all means in both the barrel. Okay, now see the next question. Pearl has a 13 meter and 60 centimeter long ribbon. She cuts 8 meter and 48 centimeter of it. How much ribbon is left with her? See children, Pearl, she has 13 meter and 60 centimeter long ribbon. From that 13 meter and 60 centimeter ribbon, she cuts 8 meter and 48 centimeter. From this she cuts 8 meter and 48 centimeter ribbon from this. Okay, then it is a subtraction sum. Yes, how much ribbon is left with her? If we subtract 8 meter and 48 centimeter from 13 meter and 60 centimeter, then we'll get how much ribbon is left with her after cutting the ribbon. Okay, for that what we have to do? We have to subtract the meters and centimeters. Okay, see the solution. Same children, put the rows and columns. Okay, write meter and centimeter. Make two columns, in one meter and in the next one centimeter. First meter should be written because it is bigger than centimeter, then centimeter should be written. Now write below the meter 13 and 8 meter. 13 and 8 meter, these both are in meters. So write 13 here and below that 8. Okay. And centimeter should be written below the centimeter column only. Okay. 60 centimeter and 48 centimeter. Now subtract the numbers. Okay. 0 minus 8 is not possible. Use the borrow method. Cancel both the numbers. Make it, borrow here 10 and make it as 10, and 6 minus 1 will be 5. 1 less is 5. Then 10 minus 8 is 2. 5 minus 4 is 1. 12 centimeter. Then subtract the meter. Use the borrow method because 3 is smaller than 8. We cannot subtract the number. Make this 13 and this as 0. Okay. Now subtract the numbers. 13 minus 8 will be 5. Okay. See children, she has 13 meter and 60 centimeter long ribbon. From this she cuts 8 meter and 48 centimeter ribbon from this one. Okay. Then she left with 5 meter and 12 centimeter ribbon. Okay. So write the answer here. Pearl left with 5 meter and 12 centimeter long piece of ribbon. Okay. Or else write like this. 5 meter 12 centimeter long piece of ribbon is left with her. Okay. Now see the next question. Next example. One tank contains 114 liter 50 milliliter of water. What is the total amount of water in 4 such tanks if each have the same quantity of water? See here children, there are 4 water tanks. How many? 4. Okay. And in each water tank 114 liter and 50 milliliter of water is there. Okay. In each water tank 114 liter and 50 milliliter of water is. We have to find out how much water is there in 4 such tanks. For that what we have to do? We have to multiply this number with 4. Okay. If you multiply this number with 4, then you will get the answer how much water is there in all the 4 tanks. Okay. Total. Okay. For that, see the solution here. 114 liter 50 milliliter of water in one tank. Okay. So total amount of water in 4 such tanks is equal to 114 liter 50 ml multiplied by 4. Okay. Multiply liter, first liter with 4, then milliliter with 4. Okay. 114 liter multiplied by 4 is equal to 456 liter. If you don't understand this, then do in a rough book like this. 114 multiplied by 4 like this. Okay. 4 4s are 16. 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 1 5. Then 4 1s are 4. So 456 liter. Okay. And same milliliter with 4. Milliliter by 4. 50 milliliter multiplied by 4 is equal to 200 ml. So the total amount of water in 4 tank is equal to 456 liter and 200 ml. Okay. Now see the next sum. Meenal divides 224 kg 320 gram of rice equally among 8 people. How much rice does each person get? See here children, Meenal has 224 kg and 320 gram of rice. From this rice, she divides among 8 people. She divides this rice into 8 people. Then how much rice does each person get? That we have to find out. For that what we'll do? We'll divide 224 kg and 320 gram by 8. If we divide, then we'll get how much rice does each person will get. Okay, see the solution here. 224 kg 320 gram rice is equally divided among 8 people. This is the question. Yes, now amount of rice each person gets is equal to 224 kg 320 gram divided by 8 we have to do. First divide with 8 with the kg, then with the gram. Okay, divide kg first. 224 kg divided by 8 is equal to 28 kg, and then divide the gram. Okay, 320 gram divided by 8 is equal to 40 grams. Okay, these children, what you have to do, you have to solve this in the rough book and write the answer. Okay, or else you can solve in your notebook only and then write the answer. See, like this. 224 should be divided by 8. Okay, 8 2s are 16. Use a borrow method, make it 12, and this as 1. Okay, 12 minus 6 is 6. 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay, then take the 4 down, then 8 8s are 64. Subtract it, remainder is 0, and the quotient is 28. Okay, so 224 kg divided by 8 is equal to 28 gram, and 320 gram divided by 8 is equal to 40 grams. Okay, so each person will get 28 kg and 40 gram of rice. Okay, now children, they have given some do sums, practice sums and quick drills. Multiplication, addition, division and subtraction of capacity, weight and liter. Okay, that is length. We'll solve few sums. The remaining sums you are going to solve, okay, at home. I'll solve few sums here. Okay, see the first question. First sum, the length of a rope is 18 meter 17 centimeter. The length of a rope is 18 meter and 17 centimeter. What is the total length of 5 such ropes? See children, there are 5 ropes. Okay, and each rope has length of 18 meter and 17 centimeter. Okay, children, it is a multiplication sum. Yes, see here they have given the length of one rope. To find out length of 5 such ropes, we have to multiply this 18 meter and 17 centimeter by 5. Yes, then we'll get the total length of all 5 such ropes. Okay, for that what we'll do, we'll write the question first in the notebook. Okay, let's write the question. Children, first write down the question in your notebook, then start solving it. Okay, solution. The length of a rope is 18 meter and 17 centimeter. What is the total length of 5 such ropes? Okay, the length of one rope is equal to 18 meter and 17 centimeter. Okay, then the length of 5 such ropes is equal to 18 meter 17 centimeter multiplied by 5 we have to do. Okay, first multiply with the meter and then with the centimeter. Okay, first multiply meter. Okay, this is equal to 18 meter multiplied by 5. Okay, 18 5s are 90. Okay, 90 meter. Then multiply centimeter. This is equal to 17 centimeter multiplied by 5. Okay, 17 5s are 17 5s are 85. Okay, 85 centimeter. cm centimeter. Okay, so therefore write the answer. Answer is the length of 5 ropes is 90 meter and 85 centimeter. Okay, meter should be written first, then centimeter. Okay, the length of 5 such ropes is equal to 90 meter and 85 centimeter. Okay, now children, you will solve the remaining these 4 sums. Okay, now see the next page. Practice sums they have given. Solve these story problems in your notebook. See A1. Sam covered 12 meter and 48 centimeter in 4 equal jumps. How much distance did he cover in each jump? Okay. See here children. Sam covered 12 meter and 48 centimeter in 4 equal jumps. Now we have to find out in each jump how much he has covered, how much length he has covered. For that what we have to do? We have to divide a 12 meter and 48 centimeter by 4. Then we'll get the answer. Okay, then we'll get how much he has jumped in one, how much he has covered in one jump. Okay, let's write the question in the notebook first. Write the question in your notebook, then start solving it. Okay, write the solution. Distance covered in 4 equal jumps is equal to 12 meter and 48 centimeter. Okay, then distance covered in one jump is equal to 12 meter and 48 centimeter divided by 4 we have to do. First we'll divide with 12, then with the 48. Okay, first divide with 12, that is with the meter. Okay, divide meter first. Okay, divide meter. This is equal to 12 meter divided by 4. Okay, this is equal to, divide the number here children, 4 here in the divisor place and 12 is a dividend. Okay, 4 3s are 12. Subtract the number, 0 remainder and 3 is the answer. So 12 meter divided by 4 is equal to 3 meter. Okay, then next divide centimeter. Centimeter, how much they have given? 48 centimeter. 48 centimeter divided by 4 we have to do. Okay, 48 centimeter divided by 4. 4 ones are 4. Subtract the number, 0. Then take the 8 down. 4 2s are 8. Subtract 0 remainder. Okay, so the answer is 12. 48 centimeter divided by 4 is equal to 12 centimeter. So the answer is distance covered by Sam in one jump is equal to 3 meter and 12 centimeter. Meter should be written first, then centimeter. Okay, now children, I'll solve one more sum from the practice sums. Okay, now I'll solve F1. Okay, Rohan has 15 liter and 500 milliliter of milk. He needs 30 liter and 500 milliliter for a party. How much more milk should he get? See, children, Rohan is going to arrange one party and he needs 30 liter and 500 milliliter of milk. Okay, and he has 15 liter and 500 milliliter with him now. Now how much more he need? More milk he need, that we have to find out. For that what we'll do, we'll subtract this 30 liter and 500 milliliter with 15 liter and 500 milliliter of milk. Okay, write the question in the notebook first. Now children, we'll solve the sum. Okay, and the solution is, write liter below the liter column and milliliter below the milliliter column. Okay, write the bigger number first while subtracting, that is 30 liter and 500 milliliter and 15 liter and 500 milliliter. Subtract the numbers now. Okay, 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 minus 0 is 0, 5 minus 5 is also 0. Then 0 minus 5 is not possible, so use the borrow method, make it 10 and this is 2. Okay, 10 minus 5 is 5, then 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, so Rohan, answer, right here answer, Rohan need 15 liter of milk. Okay, still he need 15 liter of milk. Okay, now children, the remaining sums B, C, D, E and G1 you will solve and send. Read the sum properly, find out whether it is addition, subtraction, multiplication or division by reading and understanding the question. Okay, and after solve in your notebook. Okay, in the quick drill also they have given few sums, 4 sums they have given. I'll solve any one sum and the remaining sum you are going to solve and send me. Okay, see, first one I am going to solve. What is the total of 84 meter, 60 centimeter and 78 meter and 35 centimeter? It is very easy sum, children. It is addition sum. What we have to find out? The total. Total means we have to add the numbers. Okay, write the question in your notebook and add the meter with meter and centimeter with the centimeter. Okay, write the question in your notebook and put the column like this and then solve it. Okay, write 84 below the meter and 60 below the centimeter and 78 meter and 35 centimeter. Put the addition sign, then add the numbers. 0 plus 5 is 5, 6 plus 3 is 9, then 4 plus 8 is 12, 8 plus 7 is 15, 15 plus 1 is 16. So the total is 162 meter and 95 centimeter. Okay, now children, solve the remaining sums which I have told you all. Okay, solve and send. Thank you.